This is Ashni. You are in Shine to Create. So welcome back to my channel, and for the first to see my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's begin into the video. So today's topic of my video is unboxing. So there like from a long time I'm just doing this first time unboxing from a long time. So today I have brought you something with a special thing, and yes, today we are going to unbox headphones. Yay! So yes, today we are going to unbox headphones. So I have brought or I have spotted in Meesho two headphones just 500, under 500 or 530. I'm not confirmed about it. Two headphones. So they are really cheap, and the sound quality is excellent. Let me show you. So this is one of this. This is stereo headset, and another I got like a box wireless headphone. I will describe or about both, and I have checked the sound quality of them both, and the sound quality is like, I was surprised, actually shocked also. The sound quality is really excellent, and it exceeds like the worth of the headset is nice, fabulous. It is worth, actually, if I tell you really. Okay, so now let's see the unboxing. So I have just opened it for the checking out it. Now I'm going to just, if I open this box, so inside it, this is the first headset. Let me show you the model. And the second one, this is the box, and like I can open it. So like this is a tinted box, and first you will get the instructions, and afterwards, like, yeah, afterwards you will get the headphone, and then you will get the charger. Okay, let me keep it aside. So now let me do like this. I'm just buying it for first time, actually, because I'm just buying it for trial, and this was first time of buying. I'm just buying it first time. So, and like this, I have bought many times this type of headphone. Okay, so first let me explain. So this headphone is just, first of all, is magnetic. Okay, just magnetic. Wait a minute. Yeah, and like magnetic, and you can easily hang on your neck. And if you are attending your online classes, dance classes, and sports classes also, so you can wear like online sports classes and work, and singing classes also, it will work. Okay, so how you can, like, how to on and off it, or how to connect it in your phone, so I will give you each and everything. So this was the first one. Okay, and like these headphones, and you have to put it on your hair. That's all. Let me tell you the function. So first, here we have on and off button at the side. We have, this is black in color, so you can't able to see it clearly, but it is, I think it's available in white, and I'm not confirmed about it, but I just got black one. So there, here we go with on and off button. I hope, yeah, this one. And I did like, and here the volume increase button. This button is volume increasing button, and this indicates, these both indicates that whether your whether your headphone is like on or not. It just gives a signal like blue and red, and whether your headphone has charged, you have enough battery or not. Using symbolized two colors, what are they? Blue and red. Red for low and blue for high battery. So this was about this headphone, and let's come to this, my favorite headphone ever. Like, I was amazed by it, and how much far you can, like, keeping a phone on at, like, this is a phone, I'm keeping it over here, and I'm I'm just like it's few kilometers, so then only the sound gets off, or it starts cracking in this. But in this, if you see, so you can travel at least 12 meter in distance. It's given in the like it's given in the instruction box, instruction paper also, that you can it can like 12-meter distance is enough, and the charging capacity is okay, like 2 to 3 hours, and both will go with 100 hours. It is just written, but I have not tried it actually. Let me open it. If I open it, so it's very like it's available in many colors. Let me show you one by one. But I got white. I don't know, because I was wondering for pink color. Yes, or red. It's available in this white, black, red, and silver color, and like shining pink color. So, but I got white. Yes, like, color doesn't matter, no, actually. So if I on it, so if I remove this button, so first you have to on this button. There is a button of on. Yeah, I hope. Yeah, as you can see, there is a light. It was giving emitting light. Like as you can see, a red light. Can't. It's nice actually, if I tell you. And like here you can see the light. I will tell you how to connect these headphones, all these earphones also. So just you have to put like in here. It's emitting light. Okay, so just you have to put it in your ears. I can place like this. Okay, you have to just put it in your ears, so it will just, that's all. And the model and the quality are, I was surprised and I was shocked really, but I like this. And you can't dance like I'm, because I'm attending dance classes, so if I put these earphones and dance, so there are chances of falling these earphones. So I use these earphones, so these are safer than this. Okay, so you can talk, you can attend your online classes, like sitting classes you can attend, okay, like singing classes, like, and you can just put it, open it, spread it, it's not including, so, and you have to off the button afterwards. Okay, so here we have given a charger for this earphone. So let me open it. Earphone, yes. So we have to just connect it with a plug, and yeah, here it is given the. So if I tell you, this earphone will go for your traveling also, if I tell you, because if you just charge this box itself, so it just consume the charging, it just consume the battery, and then if you just keep your earphone in it, and your earphone will get charged. Okay, and it's very strong actually. The wire is not long, but I hope the wire should be long actually, because for me the wire should be long. I prefer. So now let's see the how to connect in our phone. Now guys, let's see how to connect this headphone. So it's very simple actually. As you can see the light blinking over here, the blue light. Yeah. So this indicates that your headphone is charged. Actually, it has enough charge battery. So if it signals or signalize red color, it blinks in red color, so it means there is no charge. That's enough. Okay. So now what you have to do? First you have to on this headphone, and simply just scroll up here, and you have to on the Bluetooth. As you can see here, Bluetooth on it. Like I'm on in my device. So there would be a blue sound that you can hear. I hope you can hear it. Okay, so now it's directly connected because I have already connected it. If it's not connected, let me tell you how. You can on and off it. So now let's on it. So now here you can clearly see headphone. So what I have done, I have set it like this. Let me show you. Here you can clearly see black, so you can rename it. So it was from the name 730. I'm not confirm. It's on 730. Yeah, and active 50% battery, which means the battery which it holds is 50%. Totally 100% it holds, and now remaining is 50% total battery in this headphone. Okay, so this was how to connect your headphone. I have actually renamed it. You can also name by clicking the setting button and clicking the pen button. So now you can rename it, but I'm not renaming. Yes. Now you can clear. Now you have seen that how to connect this headphone in your device. Like same way you can connect your that earphone also. Okay. So in this video, this was the end of the video, and in this video we have seen the unboxing of our two headsets which come in a combined pack for me, and I got it in Meesho, and you can also try it, and you should try it if I tell you, and the link will be given in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if I tell you really that the things that I buy, mostly like nail polish, like hairpins, clothes, these type of like necessary items, like, so I used to buy in Meesho itself. Okay, so why I buy, so that's the reason I want to tell you actually in this video. Especially I'm not like, it's very cheap and it's a reseller app, and if I tell you, none of the item that I brought from Meesho I have returned it. I can return it in my future, but not till now I have not returned that. So that's what I'm saying. So you can see that how I believe, like, I'm not believing on a Meesho, like, I'm just telling you guys that like, this app is cheap and is useful for me. I hope it will useful for you guys also. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you guys like my video, and give a big thumbs up to my video and click the bell icon. Bye.